Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to my channel Trendy Fashion. I hope you all guys are doing good. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe this channel. In this way, you can get my all beautiful videos which I made for you guys. So, I indicate you in the video. So, let's start the video. Today, my video is about ladies' curly hairs. No doubt curly hair are beauty always. It suits the personality, increase the charming of personality as well. Some girls did perming with their hairs to get curly hairs. Some girls have naturally curly hairs. Some have wavy hairs. Some have curtain wavy and curly with bangs. Well, curly hairs are always beautiful. If you are curly hair girl too, you can comment or like this video also. Well, I'm sharing curly hair ideas and haircuts in this video. You can get one of your favorite. It's depend on you what kind of curly hairs with which cut you like. I am sharing in this video. Short haircut with curly hairs ideas, long haircut with curly hairs ideas, layers haircut with curly hair ideas. These all ideas are unique and beautiful. You can choose according to your personality as well and according to your choice. Well, these all ideas are beautiful. You can achieve it with long hairs as curly and short hair as curly. In both ways, you will enjoy these haircuts. So, guys, I hope you like my effort. If you like, then you can appreciate me through comment in my video. You can share and like also. So, keep in touch and stay tuned to my channel. In this way, you can get my all videos and ideas. You can also tell me about your favorite ideas. On it, I will make the video as well. So, guys, I will be there in next video. Stay tuned, stay blessed, stay happy. Have a great hair day.